In Dubai's relentless sun, where ambition is measured in skyscrapers and gold, stands a residence that redefines extravagance. This is not just a house but a monument to a new dynasty, built on inherited wealth and digital celebrity. Imagine an indoor rainforest, a private zoo, and a vault of supercars worth more than art museums. This is Rashed Belhasa's world, a $100 million palace, the ultimate stage for a life lived online. Every inch is designed for spectacle, blurring the line between private life and public performance. Here, dreams, no matter how wild, become reality, provided you have the means. As we step inside, we're not just touring a mansion, we're witnessing a cultural phenomenon. Let's discover the secrets within these opulent walls. To understand the mansion, you must know Rashed Belhasa, money kicks to millions online. Born into immense wealth as the son of a Dubai construction magnate, Rashed didn't just inherit privilege, he built a global brand. He turned his sneaker collection, celebrity encounters, and family home into viral content, captivating the world. Rashed's entrepreneurial spirit launched his own streetwear line and business ventures, making him a new kind of billionaire. Public, influential, and deeply connected to pop culture. His friendships with icons like Messi and Rihanna amplify his reach. The mansion isn't just a home, it's a content studio, a symbol of a dynasty thriving both in boardrooms and on YouTube. Rashed is the prince of this modern kingdom, and his palace is the ultimate reflection of his bold, luxurious identity. In Emirates Hills, Dubai's answer to Beverly Hills, the Belhasa mansion commands attention. Towering ornate gates open to a marble driveway flanked by manicured gardens and classical statues. The architecture fuses classical grandeur with modern lines, echoing Dubai's own blend of tradition and innovation. At night, custom lighting bathes the facade in gold, making the mansion shimmer against the desert sky. Every detail, from gold leaf accents to dramatic columns, signals wealth and exclusivity. The sheer scale is staggering, sprawling confidently across its plot. This is more than a home, it's a masterclass in first impressions. The exterior sets the stage for the wonders inside. Here, opulence isn't hidden, it's on full display. Beneath the estate lies a vault that's part garage, part museum, a $50 million collection of supercars. Descending into this space feels like entering a secret lair, where engineering marvels rest in pristine condition. Rolls-Royce, Lamborghini, Ferrari, Bugatti, each car is a work of art and a status symbol. Many are customized with bold designs and luxury brand collaborations, reflecting Rashed's money kicks persona. The vault's climate control and lighting preserve and showcase every curve and detail. This is not just storage, it's a private showroom, a playground for a modern prince. Here, speed and style are treasures, ready to be unleashed on Dubai's streets. It's a mechanical symphony, curated for awe. Step inside and you're greeted by a grand hall crowned with a $500,000 Austrian crystal chandelier. Italian marble floors reflect the light, amplifying the sense of infinite luxury. Lavish living spaces unfold. Formal salons for guests, cozy family areas, all furnished with bespoke pieces and original art. The private home theater rivals any cinema, with 4D sound and a starlit ceiling for an immersive escape. Gold leaf, rich silks, and rare woods define every detail, blending Middle Eastern opulence with European elegance. Every room is crafted for both spectacle and comfort. This is a world within walls where luxury is the language. The interior is a testament to uncompromising grandeur. The mansion's most astonishing feature? A private indoor rainforest, lush, humid, and alive with exotic plants and water features. Once this oasis was home to a private zoo of 500 rare animals, white lions, monkeys, giraffes, and more. The menagerie was cared for by expert handlers with custom enclosures mimicking natural habitats. Though the animals now live on the family's farm, their legacy lingers as a legendary chapter. This indoor jungle is the ultimate expression of limitless living, a personal Eden in the desert. It's not just about owning things, but curating experiences no one else can claim. Here, the wild and the domestic merge in spectacular fashion. The rainforest remains a symbol of the mansion's audacious spirit. Beyond the public spaces, secret rooms offer ultimate privacy and indulgence. Rashed's sneaker gallery displays over 1,000 rare pairs like museum pieces. The private spa and hammam, with gold-tiled walls and jade massage beds, rival any five-star resort. A VIP lounge, styled like an exclusive nightclub, hosts celebrity friends in total privacy. Rumors swirl about high-security vaults protecting priceless treasures. These hidden sanctuaries transform the mansion into a universe of personalized luxury. Here, every passion and whim is catered to, no dream too extravagant. The secret rooms are the true heart of this palace. The Belhasa mansion is more than a display of wealth. It's a symbol of a new era. It fuses old money with digital fame, where influence is measured in both fortune and followers. The mansion is a brand asset, a content studio, and a stage for a life lived online. Its audacious features reflect a shift in luxury, from private indulgence to public spectacle. In Dubai, a city built on ambition and spectacle, this palace could exist nowhere else. Military-grade security ensures privacy in a world obsessed with exposure. The mansion forces us to question our own ideas of success and happiness. Is it a dream come true, or a gilded cage? In the end, it's a mirror of our times.